Hey doc,
Hi.
hi. I just had one question. Can I get headache because of any neck issues?
So, considering headache, there can be many reasons why one gets headache. Either it can be tension or stress. It can be because of the high blood pressure. It can be because of the eye issue, and it can be because of the dehydration. But yes, one of the common reasons for getting headache in the back of the neck, like in the back of the head, is basically a upper cervical issue. So what happens is there are 7 cervical vertebrae, and C1 and C2 are considered to be the upper cervical. So any issue related to the upper cervical area can refer pain to the back of the head, and it can be associated with the dizziness. It can be associated with the vertigo, and usually the neck movements also can be painful. So if you are having a headache and you also have a neck issue along with it, there are high chances that the cause for the headache is coming from the cervical spine, and you should definitely get it diagnosed with the medical expert. So here at QI Spine Clinic, we are the team of medical experts, and we do deal with these chronic conditions. If you are someone who is suffering from something like this, please do not ignore it and visit the nearest QI Spine.
Call us at 080 352 16995 for first free consultation.